Hi everyone, welcome to our NTST Tech website design. So our group members are Mark, Emily, and me. Here's our agenda today. So we'll first introduce the website's look and functions. Then we'll talk about the technology stack we use for this website. We'll show our demo website and the estimated costs then. Here comes to our main page. First, there's brief introduction to NTST, and also on the top center section, there's our website pages. Also on the top right corner, there's a shopping cart and login available. So when we click in the login button, we can see this page for us to both sign up and log in for NTST account. Here's our news and events section on the main page. There's introduction to each news or event. If we click in the titles for them, we'll see full news and events as this. So this is our full news and events detail page. Then continue to the main page and for the product section. We have the brief intro to NTST's three kinds of products shown here: the ventilator, also the health data monitoring system, and dietary supplements. We also have this frequently asked questions section for some generally asked questions for NTST. So we'll save both NTST and customers' time for some general solutions. At the bottom of this page, there's subscription choice available for customers to receive our news through their email. Also, then we come to our product page. For our product page, there are categories for NTST products. For each product, we can click in for the product detail. We can also add to cart directly from this page. There are also other categories like health data monitoring system and dietary supplements. So when we click into a specific product through their title, then we'll see the product detail page like this. For the article page, there are brief introduction to each article like the news and events. We can click in for each article's details. There's also a search bar available to use. We set tags in each article, which the tags are associated with the products tags. So when we search some keywords, both associated products and articles will show up. This function will be shown in the demo later. Here's the article detail page. Here's our about page. It shows the NTST tags full history and also their leadership team. This is our contact us page. Customers can fill in their info to ask questions and waiting for the responses from NTST. We also have NTST's contact info available here. The Google map is being added in this section, so customers could find the company's location easier. For the shopping cart, we can view all the items added in the cart, or we can also add the quantities here. Then we can the checkout function is in progress for now. So let's have Emily for the technology stack we use for our website.
Hi, good evening. My name is Emily. Thank you, Michelle. In this application, we use RapidJS platform as our main platform. I actually incorporates the backend and the front end together. The front end is React and Tailwind CSS, and the backend is Prisma and GraphQL, which is a relational database, which is Postgres. Rebel.js comes with built-in administration access, which allows users to create, read, update, and delete data. So I already talked about the database, which is Postgres, and the deployment is Netlify. We are implementing Stripe, our third-party payment API, into our application in the future. Next, I will start demonstrating the application, and I will start share the screen now. Thank you, Michelle. Okay, I will mostly talk about the front end of this application. Mark will take over to talk about the database and the back-end code. First, this is our landing page. This is our news and events section. It can be toggled. And then this is a brief introduction of the 3 types products available: ventilators, health data monitoring systems, and dietary supplements. And then next, there will be our product page. As Michelle was saying, it has 3 categories. There's 3, and then you can click here or the image back into the detail page of the product. There is a little expansion function here. You can expand to see a description if you like. And then you can add it to the cart. Go into another one. You can add it to the cart as well. And then the next page is the article page. Here there are a list of articles that's available in the database. So it's just showing as a list. If you want to see the full article, you can click in and see it. And the search bar, we use tags here to search the product, to relate the product and the article. So if we put in, say, for example, COVID, the ventilators will come up, and then like any articles that has a tag that's related to COVID will come up as well. Then you can click into the product and add it to cart as well. Next is the About page. This is a page that mainly introduces the company. And then this is the contact page. And then I will go to the shopping cart here. At here, you can either, if you don't want the product, you can remove it. You can increase the quantity, decrease it. Yeah, and you can clear cart, obviously. And if the cart is empty, it will go back to the product page. I believe that's everything for the front end, Mark. We'll talk about the database and the login function, as well as role management for this application.
Thanks, Emily.
Yep.
Hi, everyone. This is Mark, and I will share my screen with us. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So basically, we have a full login function with the different roles. For example, we can click login, and we are in the login page, and also we can use sign up. In here, the major thing of the sign up is you have to validate the email, and after you sign up, after you set your email and the password, when you click sign up, it will send a verification email to your email account, and you can verify it there, and then you will can be logged in. I already logged in, so I will choose some. So I'm logging in as Mark. Because I'm I have the admin permission, so we can enter our admin page. And from here, we can modify our database. Currently, we have the type, name, and the description and the image for our and the tags, price and the tags for our product database, product table. Of course, we can add more, or we can edit it or delete it. But in the future, we can set, for example, we can set some manager have the create edit permission, but without the delete. Leave the delete to the admin. Also, we have the articles. Currently, we only have the title, description, and order and tag, and the created time. Also, if in the future we want to add the videos or the more images inside, we just need to modify our database, a database table, article table. We will update. It will update to here automatically. Now I will show the very interesting part. Because now we log in as Mark, so we have enough permission to see our admin page. Let me log out and log in as a common user. Maybe we can see our article. And from here, we try to log in reach the admin page. You can see that we can't. With the team, we can't do that because it's admin page. Only have the admin permissions guy can log into the admin. If you don't have such permission, you can just return back to the home page. Okay, I think that's the most interesting part with we can control the admin and also we can control the database, so we can keep our data safe. Next, I will move to my screen to team member Michelle. Michelle.
Hi. Here's our cost component. So it contains the manpower, hierarchical database to store our database, and the Nightify to put our application for this website on. For the manpower, sorry, it will take a senior developer team like 160 hours to develop to fully develop this page. And also it costs $100 per hour. So it will take like around around $16,000 for the development. And also for the annual maintenance for the following years, it will take about 40 hours per year and also $100 per hour. So it will take about $4,000 per year. Also, this costs can be very adjusted due to the customer's needs, like detailing. Also, the cost for hierarchical, we are using the free mode for now. You can see the free and hobby choice here. So it doesn't cost anything for now. You can choose by your needs, like the production mode, the advanced mode, or even more advanced, but we think this three will be enough for the NTST's website. So the total cost for hierarchical that stores our database will take about through free like $0 to $3,000 a year. For the cost for Netlify, also we are using the free mode for now. You can choose by needs. We are using the starter here, and there's also pro or business. Again, we can choose by our needs. So it will take about $0 to $1,188 per year. So it counts to the total cost, the manpower and the hierarchical and Netlify we talked about. So the total cost will be around $16,000 to $20,188 for the first year, like including the development and the hierarchical and Netlify. Also for the following years, it will just include the hierarchical and Netlify and also the maintenance of $4,000 per year. So $8,188 annually for the following years.